Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to make money in Amazon affiliate. Amazon is one of the biggest affiliate company in the world. I think it's number one, but not sure. But it is a very big affiliate company in the world. Okay, when you enter in the Amazon, you will see like this. You can see the products like what are your interest and what have you planning to buy. But we want to scroll down the screen to the bottom. Okay, in the bottom we can see make money with us. Okay, see this, make money with us. Amazon are giving a chance to make money with them. Okay, sell on Amazon, sell under Amazon accelerator, become an affiliate. Okay, now we are going to be an affiliate for Amazon. Okay, just click that Amazon affiliate. Okay, then it will take to small procedure like you are getting a new customer, like your name, phone number, email ID, like website, that are they going to ask. So I did not include that information because the video going so long if I put that means, so I make the video very short. If you want means I will disclose that video later. Okay, this is the page of affiliates. Here you can search your product, like what the product you want to sell. Okay, this is the time for COVID. Okay, this is the time of COVID virus is spreading all over the world. So this time we want to analyze the audience. Okay, this time what the product will reach the audience so narrow. Okay, in COVID time they use maximum mask. Okay, and sanitizer and maybe mask, sanitizer and hand wash, like that products they are going to use very high. Okay, just we click mask. I am just showing you the demo. Okay, these are the highest selling product in this situation. Okay, also this nearly we are going nearly the Christmas. Okay, so we are also use that Christmas product like Christmas tree, Santa Claus dress, or chocolates, etc. We also use that product to promote. Okay, that also having so many hope. Okay, just click on the product, they will open in a new tab. You can analyze what are the products and you can read the review. Okay, but we want to concentrate in one thing. Okay, go to advanced search. We want to always we want to figure out what the product are going to sell maximum and minimum, like that. Okay, because we are not able to going to take risk much. Okay, future. Okay, the price level high to low, low to high means the price will be coming to 10 to 100. Okay, the product will first show the low price and you get to the highest product. Okay, high to low means narrow opposite. First the product will show the high rated products are showing in the first pages, and the low rated products are showing in the last pages. Average customer review means the maximum stars. Okay, like the customers are giving the stars 3 to 4 stars, 4 to 5 stars, like that. Average customer review was the best option. And new arrivals, some people are like going with the trends, like they are always like the product what are in the trend. So you want to concentrate in that newest products, means you are click the new, okay, newest arrival. But always the good for affiliators, it's average customer review. Okay, choose that average customer review and go. Okay, happy. Just click the link that will go to the sales page. This is your sales page. When you promote the affiliate link, the affiliates will come in this page. Okay, you can see the mask quality. First of all, you want to think that the product you are going to buy. Okay, that's the main thing. If you are work as an affiliator, you are not going to make some money, because don't think like an affiliator, think like you are going to buy. Okay, if you are going to buy, what are the qualities you are going to look. Okay, like the pure cotton, want to attract the consumer, okay, customer. Okay, that is the main point. First of all, the amount, and this process are equal to US and Indian. Okay, both are same product, same process. The amount only will be vary. Okay, 100% pure cotton, 6 layered, super soft, reusable, washable, outdoor protection mask for men and women. Okay, these products are like you can read this product. You just think about it, it's a very good product, so, and then you are going to watch the 342 rating. Okay, how the rating are be good or bad, like that you are going to read. So just read the review also, because the customer first watch the product and then they go to the review section only. Okay, this is the okay, not bad. So we are ready to promote this product. Okay, you want the picture, means just click it, download it, download the product image. Okay, then go to the page, grab the link. Okay, here our link. Okay, the link, how you want the link, text and image, text only, image only, add 2 widgets. Okay, I maximum use the text only link, and then I shorten the link. Okay, shorten the link and paste in my notepad. Okay, this is the question. Okay, we get the product. Okay, if anyone click the link and they buy, means only we are making some money. Okay, first of all, how we are going to get the customer to clicking the link. Okay, that is the first question. We are going to use social media, paid ads, more option are there. Okay, so this is my Facebook page. Copy the link, just paste it and wait for few seconds. Okay, here you can see the whatever you want, like the mask picture with the link. If anyone clicks here, they will go to your landing page. But it's not enough, it's not good. Okay, for converting the people, it's not good. So we are going to grab our positivity, like these are good words to attract the people. Okay, 100% pure cotton, 6 layers of reusable washable outdoor protection face mask for men and women. Okay, just click post. Okay, do it like this, and also you can promote the product in the various groups, like see, COVID-19, even any words you have the group or pages. It's the fact. See, COVID-19 live updates, help desk. Okay, like that, COVID-19 treatment and remedies. So you can join this group and post your link in the group. That will help others to get them to this landing page, and when will make purchase, you can earn money. And the more plus point is, when they use the link but they did not like your product. Okay, they understand, they did not like your product but they like this product. Okay, so they can buy this product. Okay, it's their freedom, but also you can earn when the one thing, the gateway is your gateway. So if they purchase other product means also you can get the commission. Like if you want to know the how will the Amazon how the Amazon give commission to affiliate. Okay, Amazon commission rate. Okay, just click Amazon commission rate. Okay, pricing. Okay, Amazon commission rate. Okay, fee schedule. Yes, this one. Okay, these are your commissions. Okay, apparel and the accessories like cages, bags, watches, 9%, 8%, like that they will give the commission rate. Okay, these are the commission rate. These are the products in Amazon. This is the structure how we get paid in Amazon. Okay, this is the main thing. And if you are going to seriously promote the Amazon product, you want mainly focus in that commission rate. Okay, see, gold silver coins are very low. Okay, if you are going to promote a gold silver products means you will get very low commission rate. Okay, see here, like mobile phones, like that, 2.5 percentage only. If you are going to make a sale in 1000 rupees also, 1000 or 10,000, even 1 lakh also, you can get very low price to be paid, because more affiliates are promoting the mobile phones, bikes, bicycle, heavy gym equipments, tires and rims. So the Amazon will reduce the amount. Okay, and here see, mobile phones at 1% fixed advertising fee. Okay, like these particular mobiles are only get 1% affiliate commission for us. These are the main and important thing that we are want to focus in Amazon. If you are losing this information, or you did not concentrate in this information, it means our effect are all going to loss. Okay. Thank you viewers. We will see in the next video with the valuable content. Thank you.